You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. A description link is provided. Let's go. Number 1. SunShader. SunShader is the sunshine shade and privacy shader sheet from the sun, so you can see is not be clear portable your device from overhang with especially design quality sunshine and shade security on the address of your skin and quick relax with the gentle stroke in portable folding affins into your bag alongside your device equal fixable to adjust the different weakness. Please send side you or you team can now work from anywhere from the pool for the world for skin to your office. When are you favorite coffee take your business to the beach? Sunshine doubles as a provided shader showing the connect of your skin from unwanted everything after the public space from a person place to coffee in train. SunShader is designed and made in USA. SunShader is a safety computer and easy use, no disturb and sunshine. SunShader very beautiful shelter. Number 2. Cardlax Washer. Earpod was used in the test. Earpod will only play music when sensor detect earpod is placed ear, which is why we put on earpod in ear and put the cleaning in Cardlax EBW for wash and test. The little spray in alcohol clear not only effect against earwax, only sharp for earplugs or any kind of true wireless earbuds that are water spray resistant. Music while playing during the washing and the rest is worrisome. Sound source was from the wireless microphone next to the phone. Blocks